Welcome to the High Life, innovating homes and elevating lives. Leading the way is Heidi Black, CEO of High Performance Restoration. Ready to level up your home improvement and your life? Follow us and let us know what inspired you. Let's live high and elevate together.
In a world full of contractors, what makes high performance restoration the superhero of home improvement? Let's uncover the secret sauce that keeps your customers coming back for more. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Sophia Yvette, co-host and producer, back in the studio with Heidi Black. Heidi, how is it going today?
Hey, Sophia, I'm great. Glad to be back here with you.
Glad to have you back.
Thank you.
So, Heidi, what sets high performance restoration apart?
That would be a longer answer than we have time for. But what I'll say is with so many contractors to choose from in North Texas specifically, one of the things is we pride ourselves in really upgrading the home. We talk about innovating homes and elevating lives. And what that means to us partly is we're looking to upgrade the roofing system, replacement windows, and when we do solar as well. So anything that we're doing on the exterior of your home is not going to be what you currently have, but an upgraded version of that. We're looking to optimize.
And is your secret sauce made in-house, or do you have a special supplier in a hidden cave?
Well, I would say internally, what sets us apart, if we're looking at the secret sauce, is really the level of care from our team and how we do things. We understand that how we do things matters. So from taking those calls to writing a contract to communicating expectations and delivering in the field on the installation, I would say that just the level of care, this is major construction. So things sometimes will go wrong. And when I say wrong, like whether it's someone stepping through a ceiling, just things happen, but we're always going to take it to the finish and we're going to finish well because we do care.
Do you have a customer happiness department, or is that just a fancy name for your snack room?
We do have a customer relations manager, Andrew, in the office. If any of you have called in the office, in fact, Larry too in production, or Andres in the field, or anyone within the team, if you speak with them, they're going to look at really listening to the concern and really helping to understand and take things to the finish well. So yeah, I would say it's not just a silly saying, but we really truly care about continually improving our customer experience.
And if you had a motto, would it be "we nail it literally" or something equally catchy?
Well, what I would say, I've said it before and I say it often, and that is that we're one of the few roofers who are looking to replace homeowners' roof less often. We've actually created a whole campaign and a website where you can learn more about that, texasproofroof.com. So if you live in Texas, you're affected by hail and crazy weather often, we have a different weather, so we need a different roofing system. We see the insurance industry changing as well, deductibles going up. So you've really got to look at how can we be replacing your roof less often. That's really what we're committed to. So texasproofroof.com, you can find out a lot more about that.
If your team had a favorite coffee drink, what would it be? Would they go for something like a strong roof rumble or something more laid back, like a gutter latte?
We do go through a lot of coffee in our office. Our acrostic of high performance, our core values, HIGH, H-I-G-H, is honor, innovation, growth, and health. And we always say in the office, let's get high. So I don't know that we're drinking coffee, but we're staying up on something. No, we love people. We're high on life, and high means a whole lot, something different to us than it may to other people.
Love it, Heidi. We'll catch you on the next episode. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
Awesome. You too.
Thanks for tuning in to The High Life, where we're innovating homes and elevating lives. Inspired to take action? Call or text us at 469-415-9740 or visit hprtexas.com for 10% off your first service when you mention this podcast. Stay high and keep elevating.